Hello, I'm Leah.
And I'm Anna.
And we're from leahgriffith.com. And today we're going to share 16 handmade gift ideas that you can make someone for Christmas. I love each one of these ideas, and I didn't want to forget any, so I've put them here on my phone.
One of my favorites are these real easy and simple to make felt ball diffusers. These felt ball diffusers are really sweet to gift with some essential oils so you can make any room or your car smell lovely.
And if you like the felt ball crafts, we also have these adorable felt ball trivets. If you use the sewing method, it's great for hot pots and tea kettles. And if you use the glue method, it's perfect for plants.
We also have some other really cute felt and fiber projects. So if you have a bird lover in your life, we have lots of different cute felt bird stuffies. This month we're featuring a felt bird coil.
For a gorgeous home decor project, we have this felt applique front pillow, and this I think can be such a great year-round home decor item.
Nothing says Christmas like pomegranates. We have these really pretty felt pomegranates, cute to gift in a bowl, or it can be used as a kid's toy.
I love that. For other home decor items, we have wreaths, and this is a very easy to make Fringed macrame wreath. It's a great project for even a child or a teen to make for someone. And this can be decorated with other items or hung just as it is year round.
Another pretty wreath we have is our felt berry wreath. Really pretty to decorate with for Christmas and also easy to make.
And it includes some more felt balls.
Yes.
We love our felt balls. If you have a cutting machine, we all know that that is a great tool to make some last minute projects. So we have here some winter berry tea towels that are such a lovely gift to give someone who loves to cook.
Yes, it's a lovely gift idea. Another thing I like to decorate with and also gift for the holidays are these pretty floral snowflake luminaries we have. These are perfect if you have a cutting machine. We cut ours out of vellum and wrapped around a glass cylinder.
You can also use them alone as long as you have some battery operated tea lights. One of my favorite projects in this grouping are these winter cabin cookie boxes. They are so cute, and if you are a baker and like to give away your goodies, what a perfect way to do it.
Yes, I love gifting homemade cookies and other goodies to neighbors, and it's such a cute way to display them.
If you like to gift flowers and plants, we have some good ones for you. My favorite potted plant for winter are paperwhites, and what a great gift to make these out of frosted paper. You can wrap them in tissue and just hand them off to your friend.
Yes, I love decorating with paperwhites for the holidays. However, I personally don't love the smell, so I like that these are made out of paper.
And they last year after year.
I love surrounding myself with plants, and I think they're such a wonderful gift. We have a fiddlehead fig plant that would look so nice on somebody's desk or would be perfect for a room that doesn't get a lot of sunlight.
And they don't have to water it, so it will never die.
Perfect for me.
I know some of you love to make arrangements to give to your friends and family, and making paper poinsettias to add into your live winter greenery is such a great way to add some holiday cheer. And as we know, poinsettias aren't really things that you can put in arrangements, but paper ones you can.
If you want to go a step further, we also have these paper Duchess peonies that would look stunning in any arrangement.
And finally, we have a couple of crafts for kids. And I love the idea of putting together a little craft kit so that your child can go ahead and put it together once they open it up. So the first thing we have are these felt and pine cone elves, which are a favorite.
Yes, my kids really enjoy making those year after year.
I always love the idea of getting kids crafting early, so you could pre-cut all the felt pieces and add the little pine cone, wrap them up, and that could be a great little Christmas Day activity for any child.
Another really fun holiday activity are making these winter leasing cards. It's really fun to give to the kids for them to then make and give to the grandparents.
The gift that keeps on giving. So here are just 16 of our ideas that we have for last minute gifts or handmade gifts. And of course, over on our site at leahgriffith.com, we have, I would say, probably thousands of gift ideas. So pop on over and take a look.
These were 16 wonderful handmade gift ideas, but we do have a bonus one.
What's that?
We have a gift membership that's perfect for any crafter or maker in your life.
Whether this is a gift for yourself or a gift for friends, we think that giving someone the opportunity to express their creativity is the perfect gift for the holidays.
So if you've enjoyed this video, make sure you like it, hit subscribe, and stay tuned because this month we're rolling out something really special.
We have a video series on how to wrap gifts. Now that you have all your gifts made, you're going to want to know how to wrap them just as beautifully as the gifts. So we're rolling out the series on my tips and tricks on how to wrap gifts for Christmas in the most beautiful way.
For all the craft supplies, make sure you check out our shop, feltpaperscissors.com.